All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back, and I braved harsh weathers just to open this. Comes out on Friday.
Friday. Yeah.
Friday. New Digimon set. Shiny gold card. Shiny gold Alphamon. Are we excited? I kind of am, but who knows? I mean, knowing my luck, I might get two in one box. The God Hands, you know. You know what? I need to get like that classic Alpha Investments box cutter
Yeah.
because I don't have one, and now I've just got to like claw at this until it opens. There we go. Do you think? Do you think that what's his name, Rudy sells Alpha Investments branded box cutters?
It wouldn't surprise me.
Right. There's our little box
He
topper.
does T-shirts and other things, so yeah.
I don't know if it's playable, but trainer card. Enjoy. We'll crack that last, as usual. The special entry pack. Alright. Now, I know some people are like salivating when they saw what's inside these inside this set. Am I? I don't know. I don't actually know what's inside this Digimon set at all. I tried to do some research beforehand, but I need the Digimon boys to get into the shop and to tell me exactly what it is, because otherwise, I'm kind of cruising. I'm basically looking for good-looking cards and cute girls. All right. Well, oh, here we go. First rare, and then it's a second rare. All right. Well, it's a bit anticlimactic first pack, but it's fine. I wonder if this set is gonna have any like wacky characters. Oh look, it's Pion Dump. I miss dude who is dressed up as Cat Digimon. Oh man, that's terrifying.
Isn't it just a different like Greymon? But
It is a different Greymon, but like they've sewn his mouth open, which is kind of terrifying.
Make it edgy.
I love that they do full art sorts of nice looking Talmon. First rare. Shoutmon. Oh, this is a super rare.
Yeah, super
Yeah.
rare.
There we go. It's our first super rare. There's a Shoutmon. So there's a Shoutmon secret in this as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think there's three.
Three Shoutmons.
Yeah.
Shoutmon deck incoming.
Obviously, the weapons.
All right.
People
Yeah.
He's readying up for something. That's a poop.
Metal poop.
There's a metal poop. Justice kick. Choo choo choo-mon. Yes. And cute girl. Love it. Hey! It's Bay. I pulled Bay, guys.
Not the alternate.
Poggers. It is not the alternate art, but it's still Bay.
Yeah.
Bro, like, Digimon somebody got to get like a little spray bottle, because they're getting a bit out here with a kid's card game, you know what I mean? They're like, oh, but what if she has panties showing? Get the spray bottle. It's Wedding Mon. It's a cake. Picks one. Grand Soul. And it's somebody I don't care about. Ooh. It's fine. I bet that's the. I don't even know what could be in that, but I'm expecting big things. Oh, look at that! He's instantly gone for picking up the horny card. Classic maneuver from our resident.
See what it does.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
How do you play Digimon again?
So you got 5 security cards.
Oh, yeah?
Basically, it's one piece.
Oh,
but
okay.
Security cards instead of the life.
Okay, cool. And then
Then
you
you
like
put your base Digimon out, then you evolve it.
I don't know. It's cool. He looks cool. It's an SR. How many SRs are there in a?
I'm guessing.
Is there fixed amounts?
I think. I don't know. Okay, we'll find out.
Yeah. There's one secret, right? They do. Oh no, there's either. There's either 3 alt arts or 2 alt arts and a secret. And we haven't got any alt arts yet, so you know, maybe. Not this one for sure. Dude, for once, I wanna open a box where everything is like weighted at like either the top or bottom. So you just like your first 3 packs, it's like all art secret, and then you're like, what do I do with the video now? like, the video's over. Like nobody cares anymore.
Next box.
Yeah, I guess, right? Like, oh no, it's just a full art. It's nothing. Watch how like we have hit the old arts, but we just have not realized what that they're all arts.
Just look like regular cards.
Yeah, they just like generic like uncommons. that just like full art uncommons. I'm using the tab, but I'm using the tab under duress. I really don't like using the tab. And this is why. What's this dude? Tactimon. You know, dude, big swordmon more like. Oh, it's another cake Digimon.
Oh.
That's 2 in 1 set, guys. Come on, spread them out. You're going too fast. My cake Digimon deck will be. Oh, there's another Shoutmon, and then there's a Girlmon. Unlimited power. Alright, I'm gonna speed up now. Yo! Big cannon, mon. Hey, is this? Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go. There's one. Rare. It's a rare. I'm not happy. Whatever. Put him here. Alright, 1 down. One or 2 to go. It's an Omnimon antibody. I've heard good things. I mean, whenever they're Omnimon, right? Like you're already like
yeah,
it must be good, right? Omnimon is super popular. What the hell is that? It's a TV. It's high vision monitormon. Dude,
I love the little satellite and everything.
yeah, he's got a little satellite. He's got little like ninja buddies, and he's got a freaking beat stick.
They are digital monsters.
Which doesn't really make sense because they're digital monsters.
Digital TV.
Is this one? I don't know. It's just a rare, probably.
It's just a rare.
God, if you weren't here, I'd be like, oh, dude, it's hits every day. Every pack I open, it's just magic.
It's shiny.
Bro, everything is shiny, therefore it's good, right? It's like when you're a kid and you don't realize they put shinies in every pack.
When you're a kid and they didn't put shinies in every pack.
Well, yeah.
So shinies were good. One in every 4 or 5 packs on
For Magic?
some sets. So, yeah.
For Magic, yeah.
Sometimes a box would only have a couple shinies.
Well, now everybody gets shinies. Therefore, they're valueless. Aww. They're worth as much as the foiling process that it costs to make them. Looks cool. Go in the pack where you will never be seen again. The pack? I mean the pile. Join the pile. The Digimon boys are gonna come in and they're gonna just gorge on all these cards. Can I like one? It's a slow day. Slow day. Oh, maybe something in this one. I might have sneaked a peek.
Ooh. Is it
Maybe.
black and gold?
Oh, dude, I wish.
Yeah, looks like you might have something.
It's something. It's something. It's not black and gold though. It's hey, the secret.
That's a good one.
Let's go. It wasn't a crap box. Woo! Secret Shoutmon. So is there?
So there's 2.
Ooh,
There's that
look at
one.
that
There's
shine.
that one, and then there's another one.
All right, so we're just missing one alt art. Unfortunately, it didn't land on the. Oh no, I guess there aren't. Yeah, I wasn't. Tell me in the comments, are there alt art secrets in this set? Because I didn't see any.
We don't get comments.
Tell me anyway. The one person. You gotta push these things, man. Otherwise. Oh no. Otherwise, nothing happens. You don't scoff. Have I just been? All right. Well, there we go. We don't get comments. Maybe you should be more enthusiastic in your
Let's go!
Yeah, exactly.
Digimon!
I mean, not in the video. In the you do the typing.
Yeah.
Be like, oh, hey guys, I love you guys. I support you. Kisses, hugs. Oh, hey, another one. Hey, you got 2 of these
Those
boys.
are good
I guess they're not. I don't know. Are they?
They are the same, yeah.
I'm just laying out all the good-looking cards now. That's all I'm doing. But how do we know? Oh, sorry. I'm opening off screen so I can slip in another secret. This one seems spicy too. I see some spice there. What is this? Oh wait. It's Bezelmon. See, this is an alt art. See, it's got that texture.
Yeah.
These don't, do they? They just look good. Yeah. They just look good. They go in the pile of I don't care. Look at that. That's textured. It's also uncommon. Which is, let's not talk about it. Let's just enjoy the textured card, right? All right, let's power through. Hey, this is a long video. I'm taking my time, sweet time today.
Let's crack it through to the end.
Yep.
The last 2 cards.
All right, high speed mode engaged. Which means there's still one alt art somewhere here. Oh, it's super rare. Nice. All right, 3 more packs. I'm in a chatty mood. That's why this video's gone on for so long. Can't help it.
Right, we get nothing in this one. We're both open the last 2.
All right. I understand. You want to open a pack. It's okay. You can just be honest.
Oh, if I was honest, I would say, can I just take this card?
It's a super rare.
Nice.
Tsukuyamon, maid mode. Oh, maid mode. Get the spray bottle out. They're putting maids in my... Alright, at the same time. Pack battle. Winner gets to punch the other one in the...
Well, if I could, those 2 cards are the only 2 that matter.
Yeah, but like, you know, might as well just go through it.
Yeah. Ooh.
Alright. Alright, oh, whoa. Respect the cards. Oh. What's that? Oh, it's a token, probably.
No. It's,
Alright. Well, this is mine.
yeah.
And yours is?
Rubbish.
Way! Woo! Rubbish! So it means somewhere in here, there is an art that we have no idea what it looks like. Last pack. The final, the special entry pack. Yeah, you stay here. Let's see if we can get something spicy in the stamped cards section. It's Gamamon and crap. All right. There we go. 1 box of this. Bye-bye. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Do the things. Hurry up. Go.